Hi guys, it's Steve Power here. It's 8:18 at night right now. The sun's gonna be setting soon. Well, let me tell you this. This Wednesday coming up, May 5th, 2021. This is our and I will not fail this time. I will catch it on tape. I failed last time because I left too and went off too late. Should have known better to stay, but usually they do it at 1:11, but they were late, so I'm gonna stay until it goes off next time. But I'll not let you down. I will get this thing going off. Make sure the siren. That's right here. I also want to apologize for saying that was my last video before my COVID shot. It was gonna be my last video until my next COVID shot, but then I realized I thought about the siren test, and I'm like, yeah, they're testing the sirens 2 days before, so I gotta get a video of it. I will not fail this time. I'll be here to catch it, and I will catch it. So stay tuned, you'll be hearing this thing wail and going off. And and by the way, it's a Ferro Signal 2001, not a Thunderbolt. If I say Thunderbolt, I apologize. I'm not sure I keep saying this is a Thunderbolt. It's not a Thunderbolt siren. It's a Ferro Signal model. But if you want to see, guys, any cars coming? Nope. Here's the battery box or control box. See if that thing makes a buzzing sound. Sometimes they make a buzzing sound, there's voltage going through, but it's not. So alright guys, I want to get home before the sun goes down, but yep, when we get far, get a far view of it. Okay, that's gonna be it, folks. I want to get home before it gets dark out, so there's a siren. Stay tuned for Wednesday, guys. Whoa. Have a good night.